What's up, brand iQoo has launched its new smartphone under U5 lineup in China called iQoo U5V. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo U5V features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the iQoo U5V comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Origin OS Ocean Skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.84 by 8.25mm and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo U5V has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in dark black and silver white color options. So what do you guys think of this iQoo U5V smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to the YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.